Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a wireless camera, Cam01 by Leviewlity. And let's check this out and see what we get in here. So we have a user manual there. We have I guess this is going to be for how we can mark our holes to screw it in. This is where this is the device that we'll screw it in with. Comes with a power cord here. Looks like USB to USB-C. Some screws. I guess this is probably part of the mounting screw. And then we have the camera. Here is there. This is going to be the camera. It's got a little bit of weight to it. So let's see what else we got. Is there anything else under there? Nope, that's it. Okay, so there's everything. So this is it here. Let me aim you down a little bit and we'll try to set this thing up. So here we are. So let me see. I'm sure we're going to have to peel the sticker off. And we're going to need to connect it up to something, so we'll try to connect it up to this. Sorry, my little desk here is wet. Let's see, is there an app we need to install? There is. Add the camera. So download this app here. It's called Prodigy Tech. So let me try to load that here. What was the name of it? Did I spell it right? Prodigytec. Prodigy Tech. There it is. Okay. Okay, we are installing it now. And then we have to unplug the silicone connector back here to plug in our charger. So here's our wire and our charger right there. So that's how our camera will plug in. For right now, I'm just going to stick it into this power bank here so we don't have to go too far. And I'll explain to you this here. I guess this is going to screw onto here. It looks like it's going to be pretty standard, you could probably mount this on a tripod if you wanted to as well. So let's see, you could just screw this onto, well, so there we go. So we can mount this pretty much wherever you want. It looks like I'm going to have to create an account, so let me do this. Okay, we are back. Oh my gosh, well, I guess the sound works. Okay, so let's see how this thing works here. If we go like this, now we can see here. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. So if I had it upside up like that, let me see if I can show this here like this. There we go. Why? I have no idea how to get this stand. Okay, there we go. So now we have the camera, and you can see it's a pretty good view of it. If I show me, I don't know, we've got a little bit of reflection off of the thing, but there we go. So there's me. And so you see there's just a very little delay on it, but it's pretty cool. Now for fun, we're going to try turning off the lights and see if if it goes into night mode. So let's see, how do we do that here? Let's just say, what do we say? Hey Siri, turn off the studio lights. See if it did it. There we go. Okay, so there's the studio lights are off. This light's off. And the TV off. Okay, so now we are in pitch black mode here. And let's see how this looks. Oh, look at that. This is what it looks like in night mode. So just for an indoor camera, you can see this is how I'm going to look. I don't know, can you guys see it very well? Let's see, that's it here. So you can see it's a pretty good picture for even night mode. And my goal is to put it out on my patio to keep an eye on my puppy. But what I realized was my, actually, I'm gonna turn the light on so you can see me talking. What I realized was my outdoor patio doesn't get dark enough for it to go into night mode. So that's why I wanted to show you in here. But I'll have up in the corner somewhere here, I'll have you seeing what my patio looks like in the camera. So just to give you an idea of what it looks like, since I was unable to get the night mode stuff to work, but it'll show you at least the daytime mode. So pretty cool. I like this thing, very cool.